How to use NordVPN tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use NordVPN, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll learn how to use it on a daily basis, learn the important security features, and make the most out of this app. So keep in mind that by signing up for NordVPN without my personal link, the best deal that you can get is a monthly subscription for $12.99 per month. By clicking my personal link down below, you'll be able to go down from $12.99 per month all the way only to $3.08 per month, meaning that using my link you'll be able to save $240 on a 2-year period. That's $10 that you save every month by using my code 5VHTech, which is automatically applied if you click my link down below. Now let's go straight into the basic functions of NordVPN, because I'm pretty sure all of you know how to download a VPN. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download NordVPN, and once you download NordVPN, you're going to open the application. This is going to be your NordVPN application. Now, the first thing you will be seeing is a visual interactive map or representation that covers over 60 countries and over 5,700 servers. It's very easy to navigate all the servers because of the map, and you can see the server that you want. So visually, I can see where these servers are located, and I can choose a server that I want. So we have all these servers over here, and I can pick one that is my preference. Now, you can connect to any server just by clicking on the map over here, or you can just head on over to the top left where you have a quick connect as well. You also have the recent option where you can reconnect to places that you were just connected with. Now, if you head on over to the quick connect button, you can also just press on quick connect to be able to connect to the fastest server available to you at the time. For those who only need to browse securely, this is going to be the process for you, because it doesn't matter where your server is located, as long as you are able to get the fastest server possible. That is going to be the primary objective for your VPN. Now, you need to understand the NordVPN protection protocols to really make the most out of NordVPN. Now, if you want to know how to use NordVPN's security settings, go to the settings. To do that, simply click on your top left and click on NordVPN on your title bar. Then you want to click on settings over here. Once you do that, you will be able to see your VPN protocol. You also have some auto launch options. You also have your auto connect, kill switch, DNS, appearance, referrals, and more present over here. Now you will see over here in your VPN protocol, if you click on this, you have a drop down option. Now there's a choice between NordLynx and OpenVPN. The main difference between the two is the performance and the encryption. So what exactly is the difference in terms of performance and encryption? Well, NordLynx is a modern and faster VPN protocol with SHA-SHA-20 encryption. OpenVPN is a much older VPN protocol which uses AES 256 encryption. It's slower, but it's considered more stable. Now, I like to use NordLynx simply for the speed, especially because when I'm using a VPN, I can feel as though my VPN speed is going to compromise my overall performance when I'm working online. However, whenever I'm doing something that does not have a lot of high internet consumption, then I like to go for OpenVPN. So if you're looking to play games with a VPN, then NordLynx is going to be better. But if you're looking to do something that is not going to be as time or data consuming, then OpenVPN is a stable and more safer option. Now, you can stay protected in NordVPN with the kill switch as well. So even if the VPN connection ever breaks, you always have your safety and protection. You can just go into the kill switch over here. And what exactly will the kill switch do? Well, this button is going to be responsible for killing data leaks. This button will disable your internet connection if your VPN stops working, and this is to avoid unprotected traffic from leaking out your data. This feature should always stay on, and you can go into settings, and you can also go into split tunneling. This setting allows you to select certain apps to work with a VPN and vice versa. For example, you can configure a torrent software to only launch with a VPN connection. Now, there are some other features in NordVPN. including threat protection features. Simply click on the top left toolbar and click on the safety icon, and you will be able to see threat protection. Now, this shield logo is the threat protection logo, and the shield protection or threat protection is a feature that can replace ad blocks and antivirus softwares. Threat protection can even block malware downloads. Now, right below the threat protection tab, you also have MeshNet. So if you go into web protection, you have your blocked attempts, you have file protection, and if you go into settings, you have multiple different types of ad block, malicious website blocking, web trackers, tracking parameters, and more. Now, with threat protection and MeshNet, you can create protection between multiple PCs within the network. It's also great when you're hosting LAN games and Netflix account sharing. Now, another feature is the dark web monitoring feature. So if you take a look at your MeshNet, you can have specific options such as hosting via LAN parties, routing all traffic through another device, and accessing files from anywhere. Now, after that, our next feature on our toolbar is the dark web monitor. On the lookout for any data associated with you and making sure that it's not leaked anywhere, even in the dark web. Now, if it gets leaks, you'll be notified so you can fix your security. And this is going to make sure that you don't have any kind of data breaches, even if you're browsing unsafe websites. Now, after that, you even have an overview, which is some of the recommended countries. Now, another amazing feature on NordVPN is their specialty server. Specialty servers are dedicated IP address, which costs extra dollars since NordVPN provides with a stable IP address, good for websites that routinely ban public IP addresses. They also have double VPN, that if you go directly into your VPN section and scroll down, your specialty servers include a double VPN, onion over VPN as well. Now, double VPN are two servers chained, one after the other for double security. Now, you also have obfuscated servers that can hide the fact that you're using VPN. And you also have onion over VPN, which is maximum privacy if you're dealing with the dark web. And you also have P2P, dedicated to torrenting servers, optimized for best torrenting speed and stability. Now, there are multiple different app features on the Mac, Android, and iOS. The Mac app is not much different than the Windows app in terms of UI, and it has an interactive map. However, the mobile apps are a little different. Of course they are, because they're made for iOS or Android. But all the features, settings, everything in the mobile app is present. Split tunneling is not available currently on iOS devices, and threat protection is replaced by the light version, which can't block malware. So if you're going to use it on iOS, keep that in mind. NordVPN can be used on up to 6 devices at the same time, so you can use it on all of your home devices as well as your laptop, phones, or any other device that you are using. Now, in terms of just general usability, NordVPN is easy and effective to use. If you're looking to use it for day-to-day features such as just basic data privacy and security privacy, then NordVPN is going to be great because you can have the fastest speeds possible. Then you also have the ability to be able to access more content and benefit from geo restrictions. So if there is some content that is restricted, some website that is restricted in your region, you can easily use NordVPN and access that website. Hence why I've really been loving using NordVPN. The benefits are outweighing the compromises by a lot, because the compromise on NordVPN is really limited. If you have any concerns about speed, you can go for Nord links in your security protocols. If you have any connection or stability concerns, you can go with the OpenVPN connection, which will make sure that you always have a stable connection. Now, once you get the hang of it and you have NordVPN's features understood, you're going to be able to use it to its full effectiveness. So, since you guys are already familiar with the core features, you can click my personal link in the description below. Without my personal link, the best deal that you're going to be getting is $12.99 per month. However, with my personal link, you'll be able to go down from $12.99 per month only to $3.08 per month, meaning that by using my link, you'll be able to save $240 on a 2-year period, and that's $10 that you save every month by using my code 5VHTech. which is automatically applied if you click my link down below. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.